Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how Instagram Live works. So, Instagram Live is a great way to communicate to people in a pseudo real fashion where you are talking to people on a live stream and it's super accessible. This is a great thing to do if you're stuck at home and you're bummed out because of the coronavirus, or you're working from home and you want to speak to family members, or maybe you want to get outreach to your fans and you want to communicate with them, or you want to try to talk to potential customers and try to talk about what their problems are and how to solve them. This is a great way to do that. So I'm in my Instagram right now, Drew Business Accelerator, and what I do is, if I want to do Instagram Live, one way to do it easily is to go to your home button, click the camera, and then you're going to go to the live option down here. So all I did was move my finger and swipe to live, and then I click the live button, and now it says that I'm live. And what's cool is you can interact with people that might join on your live stream, and you can write comments and respond to comments. There's all sorts of options, like who you want to go live with. So this is a great way to collab with people, and you can talk to them, about maybe something you're doing with a business venture, or something on how to make money online, or whatever you're trying to work on with them. And this is a great way to collab and then repurpose this content. You can use like different filters, which is pretty sweet. That one's pretty cool. So that's a great way to add effects when you're trying to work with people. And you can also send messages directly to some of your friends or different followers and get them engaged. So, and notice how it says, like, we're telling your followers you started a live video, hang on, you're telling more followers to join your videos. So what it's doing is it's actually sending a push notification to your followers and people who engage with you normally. And if they join based on that push notification, you'll have a lot of people coming in. Now, I don't have that many followers. This is like a newer Instagram, so the chances that I'm going to get a bunch of people to come in here are pretty low, especially since it's like a Sunday morning. So it's not likely that I'll have anybody on here, but this is a great feature if you're trying to have a back and forth with somebody and you're trying to create a in-person atmosphere without being in person. And it's great if there's a pandemic going on, like the coronavirus, and you're stuck inside. Another thing you can do is in the top left, you can switch the camera. So if you want to show something, like I have guitars, so if I want to show somebody for some reason that I like to play guitar, I could do that. And if you wanted to end the stream, you could click in the top right. Also, if you see the live button at the top, you can actually click that and see how long you've been live, which is pretty cool. You can share a photo with your viewers, so you can share different photos and browse through your photos. So that's how you use Instagram Live. It's pretty simple. It's an amazing feature, and I really hope you enjoy using it to connect with your audience. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how to use Instagram to make 6 to 7 figures online, then click the link below in the description. I'd love to show you how to do that. Otherwise, have a great day, and I can't wait to hear about you using Instagram Live. Say yes in the comments below if you're going to use Instagram Live. That's it for now. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications, so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.